Hello everyone. Happy October 15th. Today we celebrate hand washing, mushrooms, and the joy of poetry. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's Global Hand Washing Day, a practical celebration of health, hygiene, and prevention. A great gift could be a luxury soap set, a hand washing timer for kids, or a donation to clean water initiatives. What's your favorite hand washing tip or ritual? Let's scrub up the comments. Next, it's National Mushroom Day, a flavorful tribute to fungi in all their earthy glory. A sweet gift could be a mushroom growing kit, a foraging guidebook, or a mushroom-themed kitchen towel. What's your favorite way to enjoy mushrooms? Let's sauté some ideas below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National I Love Lucy Day, a nostalgic celebration of laughter, charm, and classic TV. A thoughtful gift could be a retro DVD box set, a Lucy-themed mug, or a framed quote from the show. What's your favorite I Love Lucy moment? Let's giggle together in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 11th to 16th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.